Now see, in the last session, we had seen what exactly is a function. So function हम किसको कहेंगे कि when there is a set A and there is a set B and the elements of set A has a unique image or unique connect to an element of set B. इसको हम कहते हैं फंक्शन. यानी अगर A में कोई एलिमेंट है पर उसका कोई करस्पॉन्डिंग B में कोई भी कनेक्ट नहीं है तो उसको हम फंक्शन कहेंगे नहीं. समझ में आया सबको? नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी what is domain, what is codomain and what is range. So ध्यान दो, let me take an example.
Range means is એવું ને કે x highest minus lowest.
No.
So can you પેલા એવું હતું કે
Let's say we have this function 2x plus 1 and x belongs to A. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, then let's say directly 7, then 9, then 10, then 11. Now over here, ध्यान देना please. 2x plus 1, so 2 ones are 2 plus 1. So when x is 1, f of x is 3. 2x plus 1, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. So 2 को ये आउटपुट मिल गया 5, उसका कनेक्ट हो गया 5 के साथ. Then 3, 6 and 1 7, 7 के साथ and 8 and 1 9. Now यहाँ पे डोमेन क्या है? Domain, say for example A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. कोडोमेन क्या है? कोडोमेन से B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11. Then range क्या है? Range denoted by say R of F is equal to, so we have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 9. So over here, ये जो इनपुट है यहाँ पे बहुत सारा आउटपुट है पर ए के हर एक इनपुट का जो आउटपुट है उसको हम कहते हैं रेंज. सो रेंज कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ कोडोमेन, अ सबसेट ऑफ कोडोमेन, और रेंज कैन बी कोडोमेन itself. For example, ऐसा डायग्राम होता 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. So in this case तुम्हारा कोडोमेन और रेंज would have been the same. ये पता चला सबको? Please write this. किसी को कोई डाउट इसमें? हो गया सबका? कंसेप्ट पता चला सबको? Should I proceed? Now we are going to see types of numbers. Now why I am teaching types of numbers in this chapter is because it has an importance. Okay, so let's understand what are types of numbers. So we start with n. N is basically natural numbers. नेचुरल नंबर्स यानी क्या? n इज इक्वल टू जो काउंटेबल नंबर्स है, जो गिनती में यूज करते हैं. ओके, एक है, दो है, तीन है, चार है. सो 1 2 3 4 ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन. यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज n? n क्या है पता चला सबको? n is natural numbers. Got it all of you? Okay. n के बाद आया w. w is whole numbers. अब देखो whole numbers यानी क्या? यहां पे w is equal to, तो ये नेचुरल नंबर्स तो है, पर इसके साथ एक नंबर ऐसा है जहां पे जिस नंबर पे होल है, दैट इज 0. सो 0 1 2 3 4 ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन. पता चला सबको what is whole numbers? Okay, then z क्या है? z is set of positive and negative integers, so which is equal to -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 on and on and on. So लिख लो प्लीज. r क्या है? r real numbers. So this includes all types of numbers. Okay, fractional, rational, irrational, integer, positive, negative, everything. So that is known as real numbers. Okay, so it will include -3, it will include -2, it will include -1.5, it will include -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 22/7, like all kinds of numbers. So they are known as real number. It contains rational, irrational, natural, whole, positive, negative, fractional, non-fractional. सब कुछ आ गया in R. That is real numbers. Any doubt in this? Now लिख लो ये, and then let's start with the sums. Now illustration 3. First sum, function. Now a and this arrow n means what? It means function. It is f is a function from set a to set n. Now f of x, so actual function is x square plus 1, and a is equal to, ध्यान देना please, x where x is greater than equal to -2, less than 1, and x belongs to z. So इसको हम कैसे रीड करते हैं? ध्यान दो. x is greater than equal to -2 but less than 1, and x belongs to z. So they are integers which can be positive, which can be negative. It will be greater than equal to -2 but less than equal to 1. So now let's first write domain. Domain b of f, which is denoted by a. Domain is a, so set a to set n. This is domain, n is codomain. Okay, so set a is equal to what? -2, then -1, then 0, but it is less than 1, so we cannot take 1. So Domain is A is equal to -2, -1 and 0. Codomain B is equal to n. Now what is n? N is basically natural numbers. I'll write over here natural numbers, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, goes on and on and on. Now, what we have to find over here? Domain, codomain and range. So to find the range, f of x is equal to x square plus 1. We take x is equal to -2. So f of -2 is equal to -2 ka square plus 1. -2 square is plus 4 and 1, which is 5. X is equal to -1. So function of -1 is equal to -1 square plus 1 is equal to -1 ka square is plus 1, which is equal to 2, and x is equal to 0. So f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 1. 0 square is 0 and 1. So now let's write what is range. So range of function is equal to 5, 2 and 1. Answer. And here that is why we say range is either equal to codomain or a subset, यानी part of codomain. Codomain में क्या है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to n. पर हमें सब रेंज में नहीं है. रेंज में क्या है? सिर्फ 5 है, 2 है और 1 है. You can also write in ascending order. That's also fine. Please do the sum. Now, once again, I'm repeating, how did we get this domain? Okay. So let's say x, we read this as x greater than equal to -2 but less than 1. X belongs to z. So these are all integers, not fraction, because if I say x greater than -2 but less than 1, it can also be 0.9, it can be 0.99, but we are not taking fraction, we are taking all integers, and that's why we have greater than equal to -2. So we have this -2, then -1, then 0, but it is less than 1, so we cannot take 1. That's how we got domain of A, which is -2, -1 and 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Second one, function from set Z to set N. Now f of x is equal to x square plus 2, and ध्यान दो x belongs to n. X belongs to n. So here,
Z also.
oh, I'm sorry. X belongs to Z. So over here now, we have domain D of F, which is equal to A, which is equal to Z. Now what is Z? Z is all positive and negative integers. So which is equal to, we can start with -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, goes on and on and on. We'll take some randomly 4, 5 numbers. Okay. Now, at the same time, codomain यानी output and domain यानी input. B is equal to n. which is what? Natural numbers, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, goes on and on and on. Now, range. For finding range, we will use the formula f of x is equal to x square plus 2. So let's check out. So f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square plus 2, which is equal to 6. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square plus 2, which is equal to minus 1 square is 1 plus 2 is 3. Then f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 2, which is equal to 2. F of 1, which is equal to 1 square plus 2, which is again equal to 3. And f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 2, which is equal to 6. So we will say range R of f is equal to 2 it's a 2, 3, 6, on and on and on. Because here we have taken only few numbers. If we take all, these lists will increase. Okay, that's why we have written this dot dot dot. Okay, if you take 3, so 3 is a 9 plus 2, 11. So after 6, it will be 11. Then if you take 4, but yes, one thing is there that all will be positive numbers, all will be positive natural numbers because codomain is n. So here there will be no negative number, and we also know because it is x square, if some negative number is there, it's going to become positive. We cannot have 1 over here because it is starts with 2 only. But it goes on and on and on. And so illustration 3, third one. Now, function set n to set n. Very good. And f of x is equal to 4x, where x belongs to n. Now over here, we will take, first let's write what is n. N is a set of natural numbers. So domain d of f is equal to a, which is equal to n, which is 1. Two, 3, 4, on and on and on. Codomain, which is b, which is also equal to n, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, on and on and on. Now we want to find the range. So f of x is equal to 4x. So we take f of 1, which is 4 into 1, which is equal to 4. F of 2, which is 4 into 2, which is equal to 8. F of 3, which is 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. F of 4, which is 4 into 4, which is equal to 16, on and on and on. So we say range R of f is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, on and on and on. So again we can say range is a subset of codomain, but not codomain itself. Okay. बट यहाँ पे डोमेन और कोडोमेन सेम है बट रेंज इज डिफरेंट रेंज विल ऑलवेज बी पार्ट ऑफ कोडोमेन, वो एक कोडोमेन का हिस्सा है, इसके लिए हम इसको कहते हैं सबसेट। रखना। Now, next concept what we are going to see is types of function. Now, indirectly we have already seen types of function, but here specifically we will see what are the various types of function. So, पहला function है, उसका नाम है one one. One function. Now, one function का diagram I'll draw to make you understand.
સર કેવું નામ છે વન ફંક્શન?
એટલે 1 2 અને 1 તારો પાર્ટનર એટલે 1 ફંક્શન. ઓકે, 1 फ्रॉम सेक्शन ए एंड 1 फ्रॉम सेक्शन बी. ओके, दोनों दोस्त बन गए तो हो गया 1 फंक्शन. लेट्स से दिस इज सेट ए, दिस इज सेट बी, यहाँ पे है ए, यहाँ पे है एफ ऑफ ए, यहाँ पे है बी, यहाँ पे है एफ ऑफ बी. तो यहां पे तुम देख सकते हो कि एलिमेंट ऑफ ए हैज वन यूनिक एलिमेंट ऑफ बी, और उसके अलावा बी का दोस्ती, एलिमेंट ऑफ बी जो है उसका दोस्ती ए के अलावा किसी और के साथ है नहीं. जय है तो दूसरा वीरू है. समझ में आया? एक राम है तो एक लखन है. पता चला सबको? एनी डाउट? सीता है तो गीता है. नाउ यहां पे वन फंक्शन, तो हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई दैट इट इज वन फंक्शन? कि ये जो एलिमेंट ऑफ ए है उसका एक यूनिक एलिमेंट बी में है, ये जो बी है तो उसका यूनिक एलिमेंट सेट बी में है. तो इसको कहते हैं वन फंक्शन. सेकेंड फंक्शन इज मैनी वन फंक्शन. Very interesting. Many one function यानी क्या? सेट ए और सेट बी में यहां पे दो इनपुट है तो एक आउटपुट है, एक इनपुट एक आउटपुट. सॉरी, दो इनपुट एक आउटपुट. तो यहां पे यू कैन सी कि ये जो बी है उसमें ये जो है उसके दो दोस्त हैं यहाँ पे, एक और एक, या यहाँ पे दो लोगों का एक दोस्त है सेक्शन बी में. यानी देयर आर टू इनपुट, देयर इज वन आउटपुट, देयर आर टू इनपुट, देयर इज वन आउटपुट. तो इसको म्यूट हो जा भाई, परम पटेल म्यूट हो जा, साइलेंट हो जा बेटा. हाँ बढ़िया, खाली मैं वायलेंट हो जाऊंगा. ओके, इससे साइलेंट हो जा तू. नाउ यहां पे यू कैन सी कि यहां पे दो इनपुट है और एक आउटपुट है, दो इनपुट है एक आउटपुट है. ऐसा भी है कि एक इनपुट है एक आउटपुट है, पर जहां पे ऐसा मल्टीपल इनपुट का सिंगल आउटपुट है, ओके, उसको हम कहते हैं मैनी वन फंक्शन. I'll give you a numeric example for it. Now, इसका numeric example is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And B is square of elements of A. So यहाँ पे मिलेगा 4, 1, 0, 1, 2. तो you can see -2 का भी आउटपुट 4 और 2 का भी आउटपुट 4. I write the example. F of x is equal to x square. -1 का भी 1, -1 का भी 1. I just remove this. and then 0 का आउटपुट इज 0. तो इसको हम कहेंगे many one function. Let me remove 0 also. So you can see over here -2 and +2 का output is 4, -1 +1 का output is 1, and 0 to 0. So this is known as many one function. Please draw this, then I'll go to the next one. Third one. Constant function. यहाँ पे you have domain which is A, and you have codomain which is B, and यहाँ पे जितने भी elements of A है, they are connected with only one element of B. यानी you can say कि a machine which manufactures juice, okay, फिर वो apple, orange, संतरा, pineapple, outcome is juice, fruit juice. तो इसको हम कहेंगे constant function कि A का कोई भी value होगा, B का value remains the same. B का value remains constant. That is why it is known as a constant function. Please draw the diagram. Illustration 4. We have to identify the types of function. So the function is set n to set n, where f of x is equal to x square. Now over here, first let's write domain d of a f, which is equal to a, which is equal to n. N is natural numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, on and on and on. Codomain B, which is also equal to n, which will be again 1, 2, 3, 4, on and on and on. Now, let's find out what type of function is this. So f of x is equal to x square, and x belongs to a. So we take f of 1 is equal to 1 square, which is 1. F of 2, which is 2 square, is equal to 4. F of 3, which is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. F of 4, which is 4 square, which is equal to 16. तो यहाँ पे डायग्राम कैसा बनेगा? A आएगा जहाँ पे है 1, 2, 3, 4. B आएगा जहाँ पे है 1, 4, 9, 16. तो 1 के साथ 1 कनेक्टेड है, 2 के साथ 4 कनेक्टेड है, 3 के साथ 9 कनेक्टेड है, 4 के साथ 16 कनेक्टेड है. तो मुझे बताओ ये कैसे टाइप का फंक्शन है?
1, 1.
One function.
Very good, very good. 1, 1 function. So we have to write there are two different values of domain and codomain. Hence, it is 1, 1 function. एक का एक. Written.
Yes, sir.
Now function from set Z to set N which is union with 0 and f of x is equal to x square. We have two state type of function. Now ध्यान दो, first we write domain d of f which is equal to a which is equal to z. Z is all positive and negative integers, so -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, on and on and on. Codomain B, which is an union of with 0, so which is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so all whole numbers. Now let's check. So we write f of x is equal to x square. X belongs to a or z, which is equal to f of -2 is equal to -2 square, which is 4. F of -1, which is -1 square, which is 1. F of 0, which is equal to 0 square, which is 0. F of 1, which is 1 square, which is 1. And f of 2, which is equal to 2 square, which is equal to 4. So let's draw a diagram over here. This is A, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And we have B, 0, 1 and 4. 0, 1 and 4. So -2 is 4, plus 2 is 4. Then -1 is 1, 1 is 1, and 0 to 0. So tell me, what type of function is this?
Many one.
Many
One.
function. Very good. So for two different values, -2, 2 and -1, 1 of domain, their image. Now what the word image is used. Image यानी क्या? Output. Okay. Their image in codomain is same. Hence, it is many one function. Answer. Illustration 6. Function set z to r and f of x is equal to 100. So you can see ये 100 constant है. ओके यहाँ पे इसके साथ 100x या 100x square ऐसा कुछ भी दिया नहीं है. Then state the type of function. So over here we write domain A, which is d of f, which is equal to z. So which is equal to dot 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 -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 dot dot dot. Then codomain B, which is equal to R, yani all the numbers. Okay. Now So for since f of x is equal to 100, तो हम x का कोई भी वैल्यू लेंगे. Say for example, if we take f of -2, which is equal to 100, f of -1 will be equal to 100, f of 1 will be equal to 100, f of 2 will be equal to 100. So here what we get is a, b, यहाँ पे we have 100, here we have -2, -1, 1, 2, whatever is the number. So what type of function is this?
Constant.
Since the function has image in B as 100, it is a constant function. Now, illustration 6, second one. It says state the type of function between dates of month and days of week. Now see, this is very simple, okay? Need not worry. Days of week will be what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And dates of month will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Say for example, 1 is Monday. So what next will be Monday? कौन से डेट पे फिर से मंडे आएगा?
8.
8. Very good. Okay. Second is Tuesday. So what next will be Tuesday?
9.
9. Okay, let's say fourth. Fourth is Thursday. Fourth is Thursday. What next will be Thursday?
11.
11. Okay, can you tell what type of function is this?
Many one.
Yeah,
Anyone.
any one function. Understood this? Understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.